Welcome to 3020 Northeast 32nd Avenue, Unit 1103, right here in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, where coastal living meets everyday convenience. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence with approximately 1,100 square feet, perfectly positioned on the 11th floor. And here's what that means. You're waking up every single day to sweeping Atlantic Ocean views. And that's really the story of this property views, location, and lifestyle. As you walk in, you'll notice a bright, open layout with a seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen spaces. Large sliding glass doors bring in natural light and pull your eyes straight out to that ocean horizon. This condo has a full-size washer and dryer in the unit. When comparing homeowner association fees, remember at the Tides both cable television and internet are included in the monthly fee. The split bedroom floor plan gives you privacy, whether you're hosting guests or working from home. Now, let's talk about the building. This residence is part of a full-service building, 24-hour security, resort-style pool and spa. Welcome to the Tides lobby. A beautiful community room is available for your use, one of the best workout facilities in any condominium.